What is going on, my beautiful dolls and divos? Thank you so much for joining me for part two, the installation. And if you don't know what I'm speaking of, I'm talking about last week's video. We talked about the removal. I showed you the hair care, explain a little bit more tea. Now we get into the video and the meat of the potatoes. We are doing the installation again. And this time, it's a twist. It's not the same. It's going to be incorporated with the braidless formation support by the Weave Buddy. Yes. Okay. So stay tuned. You're going to see something different every video that I like to create. I don't like the same thing because I'm a YouTuber. I like to watch content all day and everybody got a different flair. So, hey, all you got to do is just hit the like button for the algorithm and I ain't got nothing else to ask you. So right now we are just completing the mesh integration component. I already drew out the area of concern that I want to map out, and we are incorporating her hair with the 3.5 millimeter links. And as you see, there it goes. The folds will be taken care of when we install the installation, but here is a view of the braidless installation that we're using with the Weave Buddy. This is going to give her another anchor. So instead of going around each side of the bead using her hair, we're actually using the brackets, okay? Now I am using I believe this is a Swiss. Don't quote me. This is when I was in my ventilating days and I thought I was about that life. But when I did a whole like mustache and sideburns, Taneasha was like, yeah, what do I don't do? I don't know. I'm one of those girls that can kind of do a little bit of everything. And I don't know if I like it until I do it. And if it's worth the time and if it's too much labor and what clientele the service brings. So you will be around with me for a while. You like, Taneasha be dipping in and out. I am a creative. Yes, I am. And if something doesn't make sense, then I just don't see the point of me keep on doing it. Okay. Now my loyal dolls, they always get grandfathered in and they keep me on my toes and I like to have fun. This is why if you are interested in being a hair content model, that's what I'm into. Okay. I don't want to have to keep on editing for 4 or 5 hours concealing identities. So if you would like to get a promotion, okay, a promotional rate, discount, okay? All right, get it? Okay, read between the lines. You know, I'm bougetto, so I like to say, different words. I don't have cost or price on my website. I got investment. You see the wordplay? I like to attract a different kind of personality. I'm the most urbanist person up in my salon. Lies you tell. But anyway, Psycho Boo Boo. Thanks to all my new subscribers. Here is a video, pictures, a little close up of what it looks like. If you're interested in learning how to get this done or do this as a stylist, hit up Kat Hensky, the Weave Buddy. She got you covered. Taneasha, why you ain't doing it? Just because I could do it does not mean I might be the best educator for everybody. So if you more advanced and you can do a lot of more advanced extensions, then I'm the girl for you. I'm not the best beginner friendly. I think some instructors need to say that, okay? When you unfortunately got the gift, sometimes you're just good at doing it and you might not be the best of teaching it. But Taneasha, how you know? I don't have the patience or the love for it like that to teach a beginner. Now, if you could go ahead and you're a visual learner and you hands-on, then I got you covered. But if all that, go to Kat Hensky, and this ain't my thing to be teaching. It's her thing. You feel me? So I ain't stepping on nobody's toes, okay? I want to keep on getting my blessings out here in these streets. Now we just going to go ahead and sew on. We did the sandwich method, inside and out, meaning you don't see the beads. I kind of make up my own terminology. I don't really get hooked up with all the different vocabulary. I do sometimes play around, and sometimes I do talk, paycheck English and give you the correct terms, but this is not accounting. This is hair. And I came from the Dudley girl, DC, that we had fun. And we had our own individual things. It wasn't no 1-2 buck on my shoe. You went to Tasha because Tasha did hair that way. You went to Taneasha because Taneasha did hair that way. You see what I'm saying? But if you want to know more, you can just go ahead and leave a comment because guess what? I would answer the best of my ability, I'm in Alpharetta, Georgia. I always get this in the videos. Where you at? 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 Like, they don't want to read for nothing. I don't even know why I put the information in the description anyway. It's no point. That takes an additional 15 minutes. It don't take 15 minutes, Taneasha. Yes, it do. Because the algorithm don't be algorithm if you don't put the daggone like button. So I got to go ahead and use my SEO brain and what keywords and what's going to be good for the algorithm so y'all can go ahead and see this. This is how I'm getting new subscribers. It's not because of likes. It's because of this descriptions. And the description got little links so you can go ahead and go on the website. You can go on PhD Advanced Hair Training. I see y'all coming out here to try to get trained. Y'all see that NDA out there. She got non-disclosure. I sure the freak do. You ain't taking my intellectual property. Ain't no video for use, ma'am. Not for Alopecia Solutions. Not no. You won't be screen recording and sharing it to your 5 friends. Boo, boo, boo. You can play a player. Won't happen to me. Won't happen to me. And if you try it, unfortunately, that's been happening to my girl Kat Hensky out here, the weave buddy. I've learned from other educators what not to do when I do mine. Unfortunately, it's best to go ahead and slow walk it. Get your daggone stuff legally put out there. If you don't know how to do it, go on legalzoom.com. You should have a lawyer, attorney, a banker, all that when you have a business anyway. Have your stuff trademarked. Protect yourself out here, okay? And if you're interested in all that stuff, that's where my strong suit is at, the consultant aspect. There's no point in making money when you don't know what to do with it. But yeah, we double knotting. That's pretty much what we doing. I'm like, Taneasha, what this got to do with the video? We talking about what we talking about, and you seeing what we seeing at the same time. I'm sorry, Okay. So back to the matter at hand. This is my hairline. She's reusing the hair that we took out. It's custom colored. It's the texture straight. It's snatched. You can go ahead and copy yours, pre-order if you decide to. Right now, it's always in stock for my clients. So when you come in, you ain't got to pre-order. I got it for you. But I'm not tying up $50,000 in my cash flow to have every length and texture of hair just to be sitting there. Side note, would you like to buy hair that been sitting on the shelf or somebody's storage for 8, 9 months, 6 months? Shoot, 4 months. I'll wait. That's a dumb question. No, that's not. It's dumb for you to be leaving on the social media thinking these girls out here selling them daggone bundles like it's hotcakes when Walmart can't even sell lotion. Lies, you tell. So you really think that they ain't got no date on it? How they know when they bought the hair? They just got hair in stock. I like to keep mine fresh on hand, on demand. I gotta make my own sound effects because I ain't got time for no copyright strikes until I feel like figuring out how to edit better than what I'm editing as far as the sound effects. We gonna get me talking and you gonna get the visual. Right now, we just gonna go ahead and merge and sandwich the closure. We use a 5x5 closure and merging the extension, sandwiching it in, okay? And we was having a good time. Her team was losing. Right now, I'm doing hair illusions. I love this new human hair fiber. Look at that. Look at that V. Had to show off my skills, baby. We had to get close. Remember where we started from? A lot of times I feel as though that alopecia, my dolls sometimes be a little delulu. Shout out to Donnie out here, or she's on one of the podcasts I be watching sometimes. And some people be a little delulu. Remember the show Botch? Look at the before and look at the after. Taking off a wig, you're reminded of your area of concern. You can't feel no wind beneath your wing. This gives her a ponytail. She can wear her hair back. And at the end of the day, she's able to have options to put that topical solution to have even more hair growth. Let me know if you liking this style. I had so much fun. I did the best I can. I turned the camera backwards. Thank you, but no thank you for not even letting me know how to get the daggone stuff more clear. I got cameras for no reason. Bought 2 cameras for no reason. And look at that slow-mo. Oh, we got that slow glow. Sorry, turn your volumes down if you don't like my singing, because I like to have a good time. This is hair, baby. Okay? If you can't play in hair, then what is the point of doing it? Okay? Anyway, I will see y'all next week with another video. If you're interested in becoming a hair model and only paying 50% of what it normally costs to get your hair done, get your girl up. I'm ready to create and have some fun. Until next time, thanks for watching. Ow.